Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk to you about what the insurance call independent medical exams. I personally call it defense medical exams. The reason I use this terminology is because this is a paid doctor by the insurance company who's hired to evaluate you and give an opinion to the insurance company. These doctors, in our opinion, are biased. So we need to understand that they are working for the insurance company. You don't want to give them more information than necessary. Sometimes they ask you to sign documentation while you're there. Other than just logging in, you shouldn't be signing any documentation without our office first reviewing it. You can politely say, I will take these with me to my attorney's office to review prior to signing anything. They also sometimes like to do exams that are invasive. So for example, EMGs, MRIs, CAT scans, they are not entitled to do any invasive testing. The only thing that this doctor is able to do is examine you, a physical exam, and ask you some questions about how you're feeling. Remember, this doctor is not your medical physician. It is a paid doctor by the insurance company. They are not allowed to do anything but a physical examination of you. You want to give them information on your injuries, what's hurting you, how bad it's hurting on a daily basis. If some days are better than other days, that's okay to say. You don't want to over-exaggerate or under-exaggerate your injuries. You want to be straightforward. However, you don't want to give them too much information. So I don't want you rambling while you're there, okay? Answer their questions and move on. These doctors sometimes try to trick you. For example, they may do something called a straight leg raise. A straight leg raise is the same test, whether you're sitting down or laying down. But they ask you to change positions and do these tests in different positions to see if you're exaggerating your injuries. So please beware and don't exaggerate. They also notice what you're reaching for and how you're reaching. So for example, if you have a shoulder injury and you have your purse with you and you're reaching over for your purse, they're going to notice those things. So again, be careful. When you leave this exam, the doctor is required to write a report for the insurance company. Typically, in 95% of these cases, the report is going to say something along the lines of, this client does not need any further treatment, and if they did need treatment, they only needed it for a short period of time. Don't be alarmed. That's why you hired us. We'll submit the report to you for review, and at that point, it's possible that the insurance company will cut you off from your benefits if they were previously paying. Don't panic. That's our cue to file a lawsuit.